Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you some simple steps to fix WhatsApp desktop when it is not working properly. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Now open WhatsApp desktop and check if it is working normally. If WhatsApp is not responding, close the app completely. Then open WhatsApp desktop again and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue is still there, restart your computer. After your computer starts again, open WhatsApp desktop once more. If WhatsApp is still not working, we can try repairing the app from Windows settings. First, open Windows settings, then click on Apps and select Installed Apps. Now find WhatsApp in the list. Click the three dots next to WhatsApp. If you see Advanced Options, click on it. On the next screen, look for the Repair option. Click Repair and wait for Windows to complete the process. Repairing the app can fix some problems without removing your app data. Once the repair is finished, open WhatsApp desktop again. Check if the app is now working normally. If you're still having problems, make sure your internet connection is working and check whether WhatsApp needs an update. These simple steps can help solve many common WhatsApp desktop problems. And that's how you can troubleshoot WhatsApp desktop when it is not working properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.